Should you overpay your mortgage or should you invest that money instead? That's the question I get a lot, and I'm going to answer it for you right now. Fortunately, I can give you a definitive answer on this because this is the exact kind of scenario I map out for my clients every single day. In this example, I have a client who is 32. They have a mortgage which is 1K a month, and they have around 2K a month which they can use to either overpay that mortgage or invest for their future. They'd like their mortgage gone as soon as possible. However, they'd also like to be able to retire as soon as possible. So what should they do with that spare money? If he were to overpay the mortgage, it would take him 6 years to completely clear the loan and become mortgage free. It would then take another 12 years after that to invest enough to be able to retire. So 18 years total to achieve both of his goals. However, if he started investing from day one and just let his mortgage tick along, although the amount of money he would need in retirement would be more because he'd also have a mortgage to pay for on top of his other lifestyle expenses, it would only take him 16 years to achieve enough to be able to retire to cover those expenses and pay for his mortgage. So 16 years instead of 18 years in the previous scenario. So he can actually achieve both of his goals 2 years faster by just investing and letting his mortgage ride along as it would. So there's your answer. Of course, there may be very unique and specific circumstances where this may not apply, so please don't take this for granted. If you'd like a free financial assessment done of your circumstances to see if this would make sense,